It is 6 in the morning and the day has already started bright for this first generation entrepreneur, Sanjeev Gupta. Playing golf with ease is just another activity of the day for this multi-talented individual. All set to hit the shots right, making sure it is done with utmost precision. At a very young age of 22, Sanjeev launched his IT business, naming it Albion, and also got married the same year. With little money and no business background, Sanjeev's first foray into entrepreneurship started off with the odds that stood firmly against him.
I just try to jog for some time in the morning, and then after I just try to hit some balls on the range. And I mean, maybe about 2 times in a week I try to go to course and play some 9 holes or 18 holes depending on my time or depending upon the time availability to me. The long-term target or the business revenue what we have to achieve during the year has to be taken into, on the daily basis that, or the weekly basis. We have to map the revenue that, supposing if we have to achieve, let's say 150 crore in this year, then 150 crore or maybe 200 crore, whatever. So the 200 crore or maybe 150 crore we have to divide into the pieces, like the quarterly the revenue which we have to map into the system, or the monthly or the weekly, so we go down up till weekly revenue achievement, right? And then we have to see that in the week what are the projects which are going to come, or what is the business which is going to come. And so day-to-day planning we keep doing, or we keep changing, or whatever required to be done in order to achieve our targets.
Aimed with a vision to make Albion a successful Indian information technology company.
From last 20 years I have been trying to work and see that we reach to a very, very, very stable position. But then in the business you always have a challenge, right? And you have to keep finding the solution of the challenges what you have. Yes, no doubt about it, the organization has grown manifold in last few years, and we are like 300 employee company as of now, and this year we have done about 110 crore, and the year which is coming we are planning to have the final budgets are in preparation and all that, but we have a plan to do about 150 crore this year. The final numbers are yet to be made up, but tentatively 150 crore we are doing.
Sanjeev kept retaining most of his earnings to invest in research and development.
Typically, if you look the IT as a business, it is all about people and the knowledge what we have. We always say, even if you see in our mission statement, we talk about the knowledge industry and the manpower, and the knowledge comes from the people. So this IT industry particularly is a knowledge-centric industry where you have to really see that you have a strong team, you have a team which can really see that whatever is the plan of the business, they can realize that plan. So it's a knowledge-based industry, and we have to really see that the people who work for the organization, they are all upbeating all the time, and they really, all the time feel very happy about their work.
It is this multifaceted team effort that is taking Sanjeev's company to greater heights. After starting out in the retail space with Compaq, Albion branched out into system integration in 2001, counting top organizations such as EMC, NTPC, Airports Authority and the Parliament as its clients.
You see, under the present circumstances, anything to do with and around the internet is absolutely necessary. Sanjeev is in the right business, and one cannot stop. One has to proceed further, take the right opportunity to go ahead, despite the fact there could be some economic problems and other things.
With the belief that honesty and integrity cannot be negotiated, Sanjeev Gupta is today the chairman, IT Committee, PhD Chamber. It is this employee-centric focus which Sanjeev have made Albion one of the ruling cloud computing company in such a short span of time.
When I came from the college, I was in job for some time, and then finally I thought, the moving forward, what I dream is not going to be realized in that way. So that is how the things started, and then I started thinking of starting the business, and then in 1995, effectively 1995, 1996, I formed a company. It was a proprietary company at that point of time, a concern, you know. From there we started the business, and then it went on and went on, and then we are here now. So it's now almost 18 years of operations.
The success story of Albion is indeed a win-win, with the best of the young professionals placed at the decision-making positions.
When I began my journey, the organization was of a different picture. But today the picture is absolutely different. We have forayed into multiple markets, we have forayed into multiple service spaces. And today I can see my the basic customer strength, which is growing day in, day out. So when we began, we were zero, but today we stand at more than 30,000 customers entirety. And this will grow further, and my zeal and enthusiasm for reaching out to that domain that we have forayed into is absolutely keeping me alive out there. And we certainly would like to make a benchmark of the service portfolio which has not been explored so far in Indian market as well as in international market by an Indian organization.
Customer satisfaction has been the utmost focus for Albion, whereby delivering the best products and services tuned with time and the SME needs is indeed its mantra.
Product management, we have a team here which actually develops product, and at the same time we create marketing strategy, product placement, and this strategy actually goes to partners and then directly customer, B2B and B2C. So this is done by my team here. Our major product is cloud backup, that we are offering backup on cloud to enterprise and consumer. We have this service for enterprise, where we do online backup for their applications, their database, and their just raw flat files. And for consumers, generally it is videos, personal movies, pictures and all that. So we have got good response from this service that we launched like 7 or 8 months back.
With the advisory board members very positive about the outcome of the IT sector and believe that success in this domain is possible irrespective of any economic downfall.
Best part with Albion is they have their own R&D team. So they can, change with the times or customize things at a faster pace. Only thing at this moment we are concentrated in US and a bit of UK or something. Not to focus on the larger pan global basis. We will be going to other countries. Like we have just recently opened a company in UK so that we can target the European market. Then we have a target, we may go to South America or say Australia, in phases, so that we can have a pan world target in individual continents.
Inclined to a paradigm shift as to what would be the next big thing in the near future, this entrepreneurial quality of Sanjeev has given him an unshaken visibility of the future.